Picture this, a cornerstone of excellence in the HVAC industry, D&M Service Company INC, based in Louisville, Kentucky, is expanding operations into southern Indiana, covering key regions like New Albany, Jeffersonville, Clarksville, and surrounding towns. To mark this significant milestone, D&M is offering a 10% discount on all installation services for the first 3 months to new customers in these areas. With over 65 years of legacy, D&M has always been synonymous with quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. This expansion is a reflection of their commitment to meet increasing demand for expert HVAC services while promoting community well-being and environmental sustainability through energy-efficient solutions. Remember, D&M Service Company INC doesn't just expand its geographical footprint, it extends a tradition of excellence. As they grow, their core values of trust, expertise, and customer-centric service remain at the heart of their operations. This expansion is a bridge, connecting communities through DM's professional expertise. From emergency repairs to installation of eco-friendly systems, D&M is dedicated to enhancing living and working environments. With a strong emphasis on improving indoor air quality and energy efficiency, D&M is not only providing comfort but also promoting healthier living spaces while minimizing environmental footprint. As D&M embarks on this new chapter, they're not just extending their reach, they're strengthening a legacy of high-quality HVAC services that customers can trust. D&M Service Company INC, a name synonymous with excellence in HVAC services.